The year 6009 will be the first palindromic year since 1961, but you and I will most likely not live to experience life in 6009. Our lifespans are too short to witness this special year. So, what other cool things will we miss in the future? First, before the time pyramid in Wending, Germany is completed, you and I might already be gone. When finished, it will be a massive art installation made up of 120 concrete blocks, but the builders add only one block every 10 years. They've only added one block since 1993, and so far, they've placed just 3 blocks. The 4th block will be placed in 2023. At this rate, the pyramid will be completed in the year 3183, with the final block being placed by the 26th great-grandchild of our great-grandchildren. But even they will miss the chance to place safely in Chernobyl. The 1986 disaster left the area with such high levels of radioactive contamination that it won't be safe for 1,000 years, not even 5,000 or 10,000 years. It will take 22,000 years before it becomes suitable for human habitation again. Betelgeuse may not look impressive from Earth, but it is actually one of the brightest stars in the Milky Way. If you could live for 1,000,000 years, you would witness its explosion into a dazzling Type II supernova, brighter than the full moon, making it seem like there are 2 suns in the sky during the day. However, this is not the most spectacular celestial event you will miss. Although Andromeda is 2.5 million light-years away from Earth, its diameter is a staggering 220,000 light-years, making it the farthest deep-sky object visible to the naked eye. It is hurtling towards us at a speed of 300 kilometers per second. In 21 years, Andromeda will be close enough that when people look up at the night sky, they will see this sight. The night sky 3.75 billion years from now will look like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, utterly incredible. After this event, it will collide with the Milky Way, creating many dazzling stars that will shine brightly. According to simulations by the Hubble telescope, billions of years after the collision, the 2 galaxies will completely merge into a bright elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy, where Earth resides, if Earth still exists, will be known as Milkomeda, a combination of the Milky Way and Andromeda. While seeing Andromeda fill the night sky would be an amazing sight. Don't worry about missing out. Future generations may have a stunning night sky, but they'll envy our era for what they'll miss. For example, the moon is drifting away from Earth at 3.8 centimeters per year. In 600 million years, it will be too far to cause total solar eclipses, making them a thing of the past. Future generations won't get to see a total solar eclipse in person. In The Three-Body Problem, carving words into stone is the best way to preserve information. But even stone can't save Niagara Falls. Erosion is causing the falls to retreat upstream, and they'll vanish into Lake Erie in 50,000 years. Future people won't have Niagara Falls to admire. In 50 million years, Saturn's rings will also fade away. He will be left alone in the universe, so future life on Earth might experience supernova explosions and galaxy collisions, but they will miss the spectacular Niagara Falls, beautiful total solar eclipses, and even Saturn's rings. And most regrettably, they will also miss you. But this video hasn't missed you, it's lucky enough. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.